Google Sheets is one of the easiest programs to use if you're dealing with spreadsheets, and it doesn't cost a penny. My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can quickly remove duplicates from Google Sheets. Removing duplicates in Google Sheets is very easy. The first thing that you have to do is select your cell range. So in this example, I'm going to select this entire half of the show. Once you're done selecting, head over to Data, click Data Cleanup, and then click Remove Duplicates. This will ask you what columns you want to analyze, whether or not columns have a header row, and whether or not you want to expand your selection to said header row. I don't want to do any of that. I'll just select all my columns and click on Remove Duplicates. And as you can see, 4 duplicate rows were found and removed, and 12 unique rows remain out of the 16 total. Once you're done, click OK, and that's how you remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.